The Dave app uses Plaid and other banking connections to pull your account data. And when that connection breaks, your cash advance feature and balance info can stop updating or fail completely. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why Dave can't connect to your bank and the exact steps to fix it so your account links again and starts working normally. First thing to check is your bank connection inside Dave. Open the Dave app, go to your bank section, and see if your account shows disconnected or needs attention. If it does, remove the bank account and reconnect it fresh instead of trying to refresh it. Old tokens expire, and that alone can block the connection even when your login is correct. Next issue is your bank itself. Some banks temporarily block third-party apps like Dave when they detect repeated login attempts or security flags. Go directly into your online banking app and check for alerts, pending verification messages, or security holds. If your bank is blocking access, Dave won't be able to connect no matter how many times you retry. Another common problem is outdated app data. If Dave is stuck on old cache files, the connection screen can fail to load or loop endlessly. Go into your phone settings, clear the app cache if you're on Android, or reinstall the app if you're on iPhone. A fresh install forces a clean connection handshake with your bank. Also check your login details inside the bank connection screen. Even a small mismatch like an old password saved in autofill can cause repeated failures. Manually retype your credentials instead of using saved login info to avoid that issue. If nothing works, the issue can be temporary server disruption between Dave and your bank's connection provider. In that case, waiting a few hours and trying again often resolves it without any changes on your end. To wrap it up, Dave not connecting usually comes down to three things: broken bank link, bank security blocking access, or outdated app data. Start with reconnecting your bank, then check your bank for restrictions, then reinstall the app if needed. That order fixes most connection failures. If this helped, like and subscribe, and drop your bank name in the comments so I can cover specific fixes for it next.